Brain-computer interfaces create a direct link between our brains and computers. Imagine controlling devices with your thoughts or communicating without words. BCIs work by recording and interpreting the electrical signals produced by our brains, translating them into commands.
Currently, BCIs are primarily used for medical applications, like allowing paralyzed patients to control prosthetic limbs.
But the potential applications extend far beyond medicine, revolutionizing how we interact with computers and the world. Imagine typing on a virtual keyboard with your mind, or controlling your smart home environment.
There are also concerns about BCIs exacerbating social inequalities, creating a divide between those with access to the technology and those without. BCIs raise ethical concerns, particularly around privacy and the potential to access and manipulate thoughts. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used maliciously, like creating autonomous weapons. One primary concern is job displacement, as AI systems automate tasks currently performed by humans. However, it's crucial to approach these technologies with caution, considering the potential risks and ethical implications. The potential benefits of AI and BCIs are undeniable, offering solutions to humanity's most pressing challenges.
As we stand on the cusp of a new era shaped by AI and BCIs, it's both exhilarating and daunting to imagine the future. The rapid advancements in these fields promise to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to communication and even our daily routines. AI and BCIs have the potential to fundamentally alter the way we live, work, and interact with the world. These technologies can enhance our capabilities, making tasks more efficient and opening up new possibilities we never thought possible. Imagine AI-powered healthcare systems providing personalized treatments tailored to each individual's unique genetic makeup and medical history, and BCIs enabling seamless interaction with the digital world, allowing us to control devices and communicate with just our thoughts. Realizing the full potential of AI and BCIs while mitigating risks requires careful planning and collaboration. It's essential to bring together experts from various fields to address the challenges and opportunities these technologies present. Developing ethical guidelines and regulations is crucial to ensure these technologies benefit all humanity. We must consider the societal impacts and strive to create a framework that promotes fairness and inclusivity. By embracing these technologies responsibly, we can harness their power to create a brighter future for ourselves and future generations. The journey ahead is filled with potential, and it's up to us to navigate it wisely.